Have you ever seen a mountain that sneezes fire? That's a volcano. Deep underground, it's so hot that rocks melt into a glowing soup called magma. Sometimes, the earth gets a little too full of steam and bubbles, just like a soda bottle that you've shaken up. When the pressure gets too high, boom, the magma rushes to the top and escapes. Once it touches the air, we call it lava. Lava can be as hot as 2,000 degrees. That's way hotter than your oven at home. But don't worry. Volcanoes also help our planet by creating new islands and very rich soil for beautiful flowers to grow. Question: if you saw a volcano, would you run away or take a photo from far away? Tell me in the comments.